Gary.
I'm Sherry.
And we're here to talk about
Cobalt!
Cobalt is fun for all occasions. You can wear it as a hat. You can put it on a cat.
You only told them two things, Gary.
Shut up, Sherry. They don't know that.
Cobalt has 27 protons in the nucleus. What does that even mean? Well, as you can see here on this schmancy periodic table, there are 27 positively charged particles or protons in cobalt. The number of protons, 27, is also the atomic number of cobalt. Because cobalt has an atomic number of 27, it comes after number 26, iron, and before number 28, nickel.
There are many reasons why you should buy Cobalt from us. Mostly because we need money to feed our 27 cats, but also we just want money in general.
Also, Cobalt is amazing. Gary, we have a call online too!
We'll pick it up!
Hi caller, you're on the air.
So, I want one of those good isotopes, not one of the cheap knockoffs. What isotopes are you selling? Well, the isotope of this cobalt atom is cobalt 59 because it has 27 protons and 32 neutrons in the nucleus. 27 plus 32 is 59. The atomic mass on the periodic table is not exactly 59 because it is the average of all the cobalt isotopes. Cobalt has different isotopes for different numbers of neutrons in the nucleus. Pow!
Time to check our questions via MySpace. Our third follower says, I'm thinking of investing in cobalt, but I want to know about its periodic table background. I don't want to buy a shifty element.
As you can see, there are 4 electron shells in cobalt. These numbers
show the number of electrons in each shell. Cobalt is located right here in the 4th period of the periodic table because it has 4 shells. Cobalt is in group 9, period 4, as you can see on the periodic table. It is a transition metal. Cobalt is a metal and a solid at room temperature. Cobalt has a medium density because it is in the middle of the periodic table.
Yeah!
So, Gary, how do the buyers know cobalt can form useful ionic bonds?
Well, Sherry, I'm happy you asked. This valence electron dot diagram will show how cobalt forms ionic bonds with other elements. Cobalt will give its 2 valence electrons to oxygen.
Wow!
Which needs 2 valence electrons to make a full shell. This makes cobalt positively charged and oxygen negatively charged. And because positives and negatives attract, they will create cobalt oxide.
Let's take a look at our fan mail.
Here you go, Sherry.
Thank you, Gary. Alright, Mean Girl 42 says, I think cobalt is useless, but not as useless as you.
Well, actually, Miss Mean Girl 42, cobalt is used to make blue pigment that is used in glass, paint, glazes, and ceramics, as well as corrosion-resistant metal alloys.
Cobalt stays magnetic at very high temperatures, so it is useful in strong magnets or magnetic alloys. The pigment cobalt blue has been used for art in ancient China, Egypt, Persia, and even Pompeii.
It's even in vitamin B12, a vitamin important in making red blood cells. So without it, you'll die.
Cobalt is not only amazing for one reason. What about titanium? Oh my God!
Get out! Get out!
Small amounts of cobalt occur in most plants, rocks, and animals. Cobalt is not found as an individual element in nature. And if you think you can find cobalt on your own, you're wrong. You have to buy it from us.
Who's ready to invest in Cobalt? This infomercial was filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Go, Samantha.
You're gonna suffocate myself.
So trapped.
I've given up on life. Oh yeah, get the beat out.
Yeah.
Oh, ow. Oh. Guys, I'm dying.
You look like a spider.
I have no help now.
Do you give up?
Guys, I actually might suffocate and die.
That's the
If you
plan.
guys don't worry.
Somebody get the scissors.
Just like cut it in
Oh.
one place.
How we trap people though.
Those
Oh,
skills.
I think I like did this for real.
It's a waste of yarn.
We're gonna use yarn for a lot of things.
Got me by my neck.
We didn't actually put any around your neck.
Yeah, there's a
Put it
lot
up
around
over
here.
your head.